there are certain things that have happened because of the demonetization which may be good for the country. I will say that, even as an Aam Aadmi Party leader. Number one is that it has taken care of the counterfeit currency in a big way. ते एक. दुसरे म्हणल्यार it has almost to a great extent choked off terror funding. So that is something that is, I don't know, the benefits of that is going to be huge for the country. And the third, maybe people of huge hoards of cash. जे politicians जे आसात पळय ते builder lobby जे आसात ते कोट्यांनी जे पैसे आसात पळय तांकां आतां खबर ना ते पैसे खंय घालपाचे पळय. So there has been a definite hit, and in those manners there has been some kind of benefit of the demonetization. But what I think has been disastrous, even by the BJP standards, is the implementation and the rollout of this demonetization. This is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, whether you win an election or lose an election is a totally secondary issue. It is unthinkable that you haven't put liquidity in the market. You haven't made any provisions for liquidity in the market.